Welcome back to another video. Today, this video I'm making about a question one of my uh, commenter asked here on Discord. Um, his name is Jeffrey. Can you explain your Tesla trade, like step by step? How much was it down? What options you bought, and how many? Alright, so I'm going to be answering this question right now. So I'm also going to be explaining to you what happens when you become greedy, and yeah, I got that on live as well. So let me explain how I did my Tesla trade yesterday. So let's go to the history of my Tesla call, and you can see Tesla is currently sitting at 847 after market. After hour it went up by $2, making it 847, currently sitting at 845 before market, like when market closed. So yesterday I did my first Tesla call, and I was losing money on it, so I decided to go play another game on it. So here's how I did it. So on January 12th, I bought one Tesla call for $2,630, and I bought the $845 call. So I'm gonna pull up another Robinhood here, and I'll show you that chart over here. So here I have the chart opened up. Let me go to this day here, January 12th. When I bought it, it was fairly cheap. I bought it at 356. So let's look at the chart for 356 on that day, and this was on January 12th at 356. So let's go January 12th, 356, which was around here, and at that time Tesla was trending at $856, and I bought in at that time. Let me just double check. Yep, I bought in at that time, and I got filled for the contract worth of $2,630. I bought one contract. The next morning, Tesla kept fluctuating between ups and downs, and then right after I bought it, it decided to go down all the way here to 839 the next morning, and I was flipping out. I was losing my mind and everything. Like, you know, when you have 100 shares, if it goes down $10, $20, it makes a big deal on your account. So my account was down by almost, I would say, about $1,200 at this time. And then I had enough buying power, so I decided to get another one at this price. So I caught it around here. I caught one. So that was on January 13th. You can see that I bought another one here on January 13th. I bought it at 1113. So let's look at the chart when I bought it at 1113. So January 13th, let's go there, and I bought it at 1113. So like around here, I would say. So it was at $842. I caught that and that price because I was down so much, because remember the first stock that I bought was at $857, and then the second one I bought was at $842. So the reason why I bought another one was because Tesla was down, and whenever a stock is down, for me it's a buying opportunity. Even if I'm losing money, I would buy another one when it drops. So the average cost is in between the money. So if Tesla decides to go up from $842, I would still make money, even if I hold the first stock that I bought for $855, $56. It will average it in, and it would be quicker to regain the money. And if Tesla ever doesn't go up to $858 and stays after 842 or 845, I would still be making money or gaining something back that I lost from the $856 call. So buying it at low when you're losing money always helps you average your balance out. So the third call that I bought on the same day, I bought it at 11:17 and I got filled for $1,700. So let's look at what happened at 11:17. So on January 13th, I would say around here, I caught another one at around this dip over here. I would say about $839 I caught it at, and I got filled for that one as well. So I was doing trade on Tesla as I wanted to do a day trade on it, because I didn't know what would happen with Tesla, because it kept going down and down and down. So that was kind of frustrating to me. So to answer your question about my Tesla call, I did do a day trade on Tesla because I put in 3 contracts in order for me to get out. So this is the contracts that I ended with. So one thing that I need to explain to everyone, if you buy the same call for each company like Tesla or any other stock, if you buy a call that is on the same day that expires, and you buy the same call, like let's say 8:45, or you can try with the other calls as well, but you do have to sell all contracts at once to count as one day trading. For example, let's say you have 10 Tesla calls at 10 different times, and you bought it today and you want to do a day trade on it, but you're not sure how it's going to play out, and you want to sell one now, one in the afternoon, one in the evening. That will count as three day trades, because you were doing 3 trades in the same day and you bought it on the same day. So to count as one day trade, what you can do is buy 10 Tesla calls and sell it on the same day with the same transaction. So for example, what do I mean by that? Well, let's say I go to a stock that I own right now. I'll go to Apple. So I own one Apple. Let me go to the one that I own the most. So I have 2 Momo. So here, if I do 2 and I put the limit order in, I click review and send the order, I'm doing 1 trade. Even though it's 1 transaction, I'm doing 1 trade, but I'm selling 2 contracts. So this is how that system works. So if you do 3 trades in the same day, that only affects you if you buy the stock today. If you buy the stock today and you sell it tomorrow, it doesn't count as day trading. You can sell it any time of the day. You can sell it at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9:30, when the market opens. You can sell it at a high peak. You can sell it at 12. You can sell it at 1. You can sell it at 2, 3, before market closes. Anytime you want, and it won't count as day trading. But if you do decide to sell it and buy it today, it will count as day trading. But to avoid 3 day trades, you can do the trick that I use, is I buy multiple shares and I sell the multiple shares in the same day, so it still counts as 1 day trade. So I do a dollar average cost. So when the stock goes down, I buy another one, and I buy another one when it goes down again. So even though I bought it at a high price, I still bought 2 of them for low price. So when it hits the high again, I have more money making from this low cost prices that I bought. And so this is how I did my Tesla call. And let me show you what happens when you decide to be greedy and don't take profit. And this is the mistake that I made on Tesla. And this is like, it happens to everybody. We all want to make more money and then we end up making nothing. So here's a video of what happens when you become greedy and don't take profit. So here you can see that I am doing a trade with Tesla, and I'm watching the price here fluctuate between 600, 700 and 800. So the purpose of this video is to show you what happens when you try to get some more money and be greedy in the process. So here I attempted to sell it just to see if I could get a little bit more out, and I was up at $859 and I decided not to take it. Within few seconds you can see what happens when you decide to be greedy and not take profit on it. So here at 305 I was doing the trade and it was down at 730. Then you can see slowly it starts to go down even hard, and within a matter of minute I've lost everything, and it went down all the way to 200 at one point, and you can see that it's slowly just dropping and dropping. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch how fast it can drop. So as you saw that it was at 800, now it's at 484, and that's how fast you can lose half of your value if you decide to be greedy and not take profit. Be happy with what you get. If you get nothing and lose, like I was losing with Tesla, I was losing almost $1,400 on Tesla. So I decided to buy calls on it and then make up that money. But yeah, I took a $778 profit on it, and you can watch the entire video if you'd like, but it just the process of going how fast you can go up and down. But that's pretty much it over here, and let's continue with the video. See on that video that I decided to become greedy and I didn't take my $800 profit on it, so I lost a lot of money. It's not a lot, but you know, I lost about $150 that I could have taken profit on, but I was being greedy and I held off and I didn't take my profit. But later on I waited about 10 minutes for it to go back up, and I was able to capture a $777 profit, which I cashed out right away. I will show you the video as well at the end of this. So you can see that I sold 3 contracts for $7,023. So this contract was submitted at 3:18 p.m. and it got filled right away. You know, there's a lot of volume with Tesla, so buying and selling is much easier with Tesla. So I got filled here at 3:18 and I was able to sell it. So let's see how much we spent and how much we earned. So let's go to the all options here. So first call that I bought here was 2,630. So let's add 2,630, and then we'll add the second call that I bought that costed me $1,850. Then the next call that I bought was for $1,765. So for this total I spent $6,245. So $6,245 I spent on this Tesla call. So I bought 3 calls and I spent $6,245. So right now let's subtract that with the $7,023, and my total net profit from Tesla was a $778. Is how do I know how many day trades I've done and how many day trades I have more to do, and where do I find that information on Robinhood? So the one thing you can do is go up to your account and you're gonna go to account, and then if you scroll all the way down you'll see your day trades and it will tell you what you did your day trade on. So yesterday I did a day trade on Tesla, and today I did a day trade on MU and I got out. So if you hit 3-day mark, this is your last day, and whatever you decide to do next week, Tesla, since I did a day trade on it on a Wednesday, it will reset on a Wednesday. So next week Wednesday this will reset. MU as well, also reset on a Thursday. So you have one more day. After you complete the 3 day, they will give you a notification saying, oh, you've done already 3 day trades. If you do one more day trade, they will deactivate your day trading option for 90 days, and that is only for that specific time. 90 days you cannot day trade, but you can do trades, meaning you can do every other trade but day trade. So basically you have the option to trade everything that you normally do. You can buy today and sell it tomorrow, and it won't count as day trading. So that's the trick that I use on doing a day trade on Tesla or any other company that you would prefer, or any stocks. Alright, this is the end of this video. Look out for more videos coming soon, and hopefully see you guys on the other side. And if you haven't joined my Discord group, you can join the Discord group on the link below, and we'll see you guys there.